Hey, how's it going? And I'm back with another Legacy Builders update. If you don't know me, my name's Corey Norris, and I'm a digital marketer, and I like sharing opportunities that could truly help and inspire any other individual who's looking to get out of that 9 to 5 grind, looking to earn some extra income online. Look, I used to be a manufacturer worker, and I used to work in that place for 6 years, Cavco, building manufactured homes. And the 9 to 5 grind, the day in, day out of not being able to see my kids, not being able to go to award assemblies when they have awards, just the simple things in life. And learning digital marketing has allowed me to be able to now do that and spend more quality time with my family. They used to call me a night dad, right? Where they only see me at nighttime. And because my job caused me to get up 3 o'clock in the morning, make that hour commute, to make another 2 hour commute with traffic. And so I was looking for a way to get out of that situation, and learning to be an online marketer has totally changed that. I would like you to stay to the end of the video so you know how you too can change your life or earn an extra income with digital marketing inside the Legacy Builder program. This is a program, an interactive program where you get hands-on training. You get weekly Zoom calls and coaching calls from a seven-figure earner, and she actually walk you through step by step on how to get things up and going, how to promote your business, and the most important thing at all, how to attract the perfect client and customer to you. It's taught all inside of this. And even if you have an existing business, how to get customers to your existing business, how to get your existing business up and off the ground with digital marketing. So that's why I'm very excited to share this with you guys and bring it to you. And today we had a free webinar where she talked about the 5 strategies of making online daily pay. Now, if you want to be able to watch that webinar, we do have a recording, and I can send you that recording over with the email if you want to check out the webinar and anything else more about this program. So in this program, it does consist of 4 different product levels. So you have the launch pad, which is $100. That's a mediocre, get you started in the game, let you know how to do things, and it'll get you from. They have a after court active lesson plan in there called From Launch to Profit in 7 days, where they help you get your business up and going online. And they have the Passive Daily Blueprint, which is a $300 course, and you're going to get more training, you're going to get more online education, because this is what it is, basically education to help you succeed in the online world today and be able to make 100% profit off of the courses on the inside. Now you have the Digital Mastery, which is a $600 product. Inside of that product, you're going to get even more coaching lessons, how to build a recurring income, how to do faceless marketing. Oh yes, they teach faceless. So if you don't want to show your face, you get on here and they teach faceless marketing. And with the courses in there is so successful. We have plenty of people in our community that is having success with this course, with this program. And yeah, I'm glad to be bringing it to you. If it's something that you seem like you want to check out and look into, I do have a link in the description and down in the bottom that you can check out, and it'll take you over to a capture page that look like this. You're gonna put your email address in, and it's gonna send you over the information. And remember, this is totally up to you. If it's not something that you like, or the information wasn't what you thought it was, you can go down to the bottom of the email and subscribe from that list at any time. That is your option. But if you want more information on this, you can put your email in, click the blue button, and it's going to get you over some more information about it. I want to take a second and take you over into the group community so you can see some of the wins of the active members in the community that this program has helped. We got Estelle 2 hours ago, my first sale launchpad. I'm from South Africa. I bought the launchpad 28th of April, and 13 days later and got my money back. I am so excited. I am I am on day 4 of the 90-day legacy run training. This is awesome, but I have to give a huge shout out to her mentor or whoever that is. Nicole says she's upgraded. Yeah, she's at the Legacy Builder program, which is the #1 product in this community. Is the $900 Legacy program, because it comes with just so much more. And I do offer payment plans, you guys. Inside of there, you'll see that I offer payment plans through Klarna and the other platforms that give you payment plans. You can get this at the low of $25 per month on a payment plan. TikTok faceless page. Somebody made a faceless team. They showing you and teaching you how to do TikTok faceless. First sell, the $49 lead, 49 leads, and first 48 horse pin. You got me there. 23 hours ago, Whitney said $900 ding are the best. I'll make 10K this month with our 10K in May legacy run. Upgraded from Launchpad to $300 product. So she went from the Launchpad over to the Passive Daily Blueprints, which is the $300 level. Guys, there's just so much going on in this community and with this program. So if this is something that you're very interested in, again, the link is in the bottom of the description. You can always contact me, leave me a message. I'd love to get with you and chat with you and answer any questions that you have. Again, when you go down to the link in the description, you're going to put your email in, get access to my blueprint, and go over the information on the inside where our 7-figure mentor Michelle is going to explain how this business works and what it's all about. That's my time for today, and I'll see you guys later with another update. I'll holla at you.